JLW डायरेक्टर इंचार्ज। शी इज़ अभी क्या बोलूँ, आप इतने हम्बल हो, इतने कोऑपरेटिव हो कि आपने हमेशा हमें सपोर्ट किया है और हर कार्य में गाइड किया है। सारे कार्य को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए कोई भी इनका ट्रिक होता, क्योंकि ये पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस चेयरपर्सन है तो वो हमें ज़रूर शेयर करती और गलतियों से भी हमें अवगत कराती। तो बहुत बहुत थैंक यू सुनीता जी। आपके बारे में है कि आप थोड़ा सा ये एक स्कूल रन करती हैं जहाँ 4000 बच्चे पढ़ते हैं। वो स्कूल में सारे जो फैकल्टी है, टीचर से लेके स्टाफ तक, सब लेडीज़ हैं। तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए इतना बड़ा कार्य करती हैं। वेलकम सुनीता जी।
जय जिनेन्द्र, ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ जीतो एपेक्स श्री कांतिलाल जी ओसवाल सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल खूब खूब अनुमोदना सर, आपकी तपस्या होते हुए भी आप आज पधारे हमारे लिए, थैंक यू। ऑनरेबल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ जीतो एपेक्स श्री संजय जी जैन, थैंक यू। ऑनरेबल स्टॉलवर्ड्स ऑफ जीतो लेडीज विंग, आर मेंटर्स, श्रीमती चित्रा जी बल्डोता, श्रीमती सुमन जी बचावत, श्रीमती ललिता जी गोलेचा, and our Apex Director Sushma ji Kankaria, welcome. Honorable National Chairperson Sangeeta ji Lalwani, Sheetal ji Dukar, and members of National Committee, Chairpersons, Chief Secretaries, and delegates who have come from various chapters of the country, members of Jito Secretariat, let me mention all of them. They are also our unsung heroes. Dear friends, I think we should give a big round of applause for this event. Bhavesh Bhai, thank you. Shweta, Ashwini, Tushar, thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much. Friends, what an honor it's to address such a highly energetic and vibrant gathering today for the annual award ceremony of Jito Ladies Wing. Friends, unstoppable are those people who stand in unity. Remember yesterday I said? So today is a magical day. Today is the day to witness how magnetic and impactful Jito platform becomes if everyone at Jito Ladies Wing join hands and work for a shared vision. Today is the day to thank each of you, each member of JLW who worked tirelessly over the past few months to be the impactful ambassadors of the community all across the country. True unity requires mutual consideration, respect, and trust. It's historic in sense that the blessings from highly influential personalities of India, from senior ministry, bureaucrats of India, strong support from Apex stalwarts of Jito, from all the members of BOD, zone chairman, project chairman, and all other active members of Jito have helped in taking Jito Ladies Wing to achieve various milestones and reach pinnacle of success. Jito got spotlighted as a super master brand and a mega high impact organization through Ahimsa Run. Thank you. A big salute to all the multitasking unsung heroes of the community. A special gratitude to you all in contributing towards this transformative journey. All of you have raised the bar so high that you have become the impactful change makers in the community. In Jito Ladies Wing, you just don't join the organization. You become a part of a powerful force shaping positive change and leaving an indelible mark on the world. William Shakespeare once said, "We know what we are, but know not what we may be. So similarly, we knew what JLW was, but we all worked together to make what JLW can be. So our teamwork has been our strength. Our team members, they have been free to experiment, bring in new ideas, present their thoughts, put in their 100% efforts, dedication to deliver excellence and enhance the impact. JLW topped the chart and got acknowledged nationally for its innovation, excellence by conducting over high impact 3,200 plus events all across the country. As rightly said, individually we are a drop, but together we are an ocean. So when we look back at our journey together over the past few years with Jito Ladies Wing, you'll all agree we have become the best version of ourselves. We have learned how to be the CEO of our own lives, how we can create magic by working together on this spectacular platform called as Jito. And let's all stand up, give a standing ovation to all the leaders and members who have created this historical milestones together. Once again, Team Jito, Ladies Wing, hip hip hooray!